This 2017 Chevrolet Cruze is brought to you by J&M Auto Sales Inc. This 2017 Chevrolet Cruze LT has only 11,697 miles, is a one-owner with a clean Carfax history, and the previous owner took great care of the vehicle and it shows. The paint looks excellent with a deep glossy shine, and the interior is very clean with no unusual stains or unusual odors. The vehicle was just fully serviced and inspected. Everything is up to date, and it comes with $0 deductible nationwide warranty at no cost. Mechanically, this Chevrolet Cruze LT runs and drives very nice. It starts right up and idles smooth, accelerates and shifts nice, and it drives great at highway speeds, 65 to 70 miles per hour, with no unusual noises, and it drives nice around town as well. It has the 1.4-liter, which not only gets great gas mileage but has proven very dependable over the years. This 2017 Chevrolet Cruze LT comes with air conditioning, tilt wheel, power windows, power locks, cruise, backup camera, keyless remotes, premium radio with an upgrade, alloy wheels, cloth package, heated seating, Bluetooth. Visit us at jmmotorslebanon.com.